This is damage from Typhoon Odette in December 16th, 17th, 2022. And just rebuilding it now, about 14 months later. The storm surge came up, the wind, and everything came up and blew all this away. And I'm told that even that two-story building right over there, water came up to the second floor of that, and I can believe it just talking to other people that are just a little bit higher than that. Anyway, new building going on. Yesterday I watched, they were putting these, there were no poles there, and I saw them constructing those poles out there to, I guess, to basically build out something like that again. And that piece over there is part of a new road going out.